Il était une fois un fougueux prince vaillant, parti secourir une jolie princesse au minois charmant. Car de ce chevalier, c'était le destin. Vers la plus haute salle, de la plus haute tour, grimper. Les ténus rideaux de tulle tirés, la princesse en...
Quoi?
Princesse Fiona?
En voyage de noces.
Avec qui, morbleu?
Il était une fois une autre. Et en carrosse.
Gros Shrek, ça va bouchonner sur le périph'.
Pour un autre voyage vers un pays lointain.
Eh, tu l'as trempé dans quoi, ton croissant?
Où la princesse Fiona
Nous y voilà.
va enfin présenter son jeune époux.
Notre fille a épousé un monstre.
Un ogre sortant d'un marais.
J'ose augurer que c'est lieu fort convenable pour élever des enfants.
Vous ne croyez pas que le moment est mal choisi pour penser à ça?
Certes, surtout pendant les repas.
Quel bonheur de partager ce joyeux festin en famille.
DreamWorks Pictures présente
Pardonnez-moi, je suis à la recherche de l'affreuse belle-sœur.
deux vieux amis
Shrek et Lan, encore en route vers l'aventure.
et quelques petites surprises.
Ici y avait l'épée. Elle tient. Potez. Tremblez si vous êtes cap.
Pardon, le rôle de l'animal parlant qui horripile est déjà pris.
On en a pour jamais. Tu vas bien trouver un passe-temps rigolo en attendant.
At times the world can seem an unfriendly and sinister place. But believe us when we say that there is much more good in it than bad. And what might seem to be a series of unfortunate events may, in fact, be the first steps of a journey. Our journey begins here, at the home of our new guardian.
Hello, hello, hello. I am your beloved Count Olaf. 3 orphans, my dear. An unscrupulous guardian. All I ask is that you do each and every little thing that pops into my head, while I enjoy the enormous fortune your parents left behind.
We're very concerned.
This Christmas, based on a series of best-selling books, you're invited to discover
This way, to the reptile room.
a world built by imagination, ruled by invention, and strung together by a series of unfortunate events.
Paramount Pictures and DreamWorks Pictures present
Jim Carrey, Jim Carrey, Jim Carrey.
And then the unthinkable happened.
Now that we're family, I can be the ultimate dad. Lemon and Snicket, a series of unfortunate events.
I'm Ben Stiller. Hi. Hey, how's it going? I'll tell you how it's going. It's going very well because I'm about to give you a heads-up look at this new, wild new movie called Madagascar. Madagascar. It's an amazing, fantastic computer-animated comedy adventure from DreamWorks. What is it about? It's about 4 friends who all live next door to each other at New York's Central Park Zoo. I play the king of New York.
There's one thing I've learned as a lifelong New Yorker. It's never trust your instincts.
And then there's my best friend Marty, the zebra, played by Chris Rock.
I don't know. This place is crack-a-lackin'.
And then there's Gloria. Playing this big, fat, gorgeous hippo is the small, thin, gorgeous Jada Pinkett Smith. You don't mess with Gloria.
Don't make me come up there. I'll get the whooping on both of y'all.
And then there's this guy, the most neurotic animal ever, Melman the giraffe. He's played by David Schwimmer, who we all know from that TV show that I don't remember the name of.
Okay. Oh, you know how I have the bladder infection and I have to get up every 2 hours?
Oh, my. Okay, so we're all happy living in the zoo. Everything's cool. Next thing we know...
What are you guys doing? We're digging to Antarctica. And who the two? Can you keep a secret, my monochromatic friend? Do you ever see any penguins running free around New York City? Of course not. We don't belong here. It's just not natural. We're going to the wide-open spaces of Antarctica. To the wire.
I like the sound of that. That sounds great.
You didn't see anything, right?
Yes, sir.
And then, next thing we know, bam, bam. We're boxed up in crates similar to the ones that I'm standing in front of, and we're put on a ship to somewhere. We got no idea where.
What is going on?
We're all in crates. It's a transfer. It's a zoo transfer.
Zoo transfer? Oh, no. No, I can't be transferred. I have an appointment with Dr. Goldberg at
Mailman.
5. There are
Mailman.
prescriptions that have to be filled. No one but you could afford my medical care. And I am not going HMO.
And then we wash up on the shore of Madagascar, which is how that ties into the title. Now, where is Madagascar? Well, you make a right on 57th Street, and you go east. And you just keep going east. It's an island off the coast of Africa. It's purple, but not in real life. It's not a pretty picture, but it's an amazing movie. Really, Madagascar is unlike anything you've ever seen. You'll love it, trust me. Trust me.
Nature! It's all over me. Get it off.
À l'extrémité du plus grand des arcs-en-ciel se cache l'univers magique de Fairytopia. Barbie revient dans un tout nouveau film où elle joue le rôle d'Elina, une fée sans ailes qui vit dans une prairie magique. Un matin, la pauvre Elina se réveille et découvre que la fleur dans laquelle elle habite est tombée malade et que ses amitiés sont trop faibles pour voler. Pour les sauver, Elina rassemble tout son courage et embarque pour une merveilleuse aventure à travers Fairytopia. Belle, l'adorable petite boule de poils, se joint à elle dans ce voyage fantastique. Elina va apprendre l'importance de l'amitié. Mais une fée sans ailes pourra-t-elle sauver Fairytopia? Barbie dans Fairytopia, en DVD et en VHS, à partir de mars 2005.